Alright, there we go. There it went. This might be a SVRD.
Eastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin. Southern Jefferson County.
Oh, this is a destructive
Wisconsin until 7:45
PDS.
a.m. At 7:04 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Edgerton, moving east at 65 miles per hour.
Come on.
This is a destructive storm for Evansville, Edgerton, and Fort Atkinson. Hazard: baseball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. At 6:45 a.m., trained weather spotters reported baseball-sized hail in Brooklyn. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Fulton, Butterville, Cooksville, Lake Koshkonong, Palmyra, Fort Atkinson, Indianford, Rome, Sullivan, Hebron, Edgerton, Albion, Milton, National Weather Service, Milwaukee, Sullivan, Evansville, Jefferson, Whitewater, and Stoughton. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People
Dane.
outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County.
Well, technically, SVRD. Let me check. Hold up. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I see why. Look at that. That was huge.